How to use Spotify Jam. Open any web browser on your device, or simply you can open application on your mobile device as well. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in spotify.com. Press enter on the keyboard to get access to this Spotify. Make sure to sign into your account. So you need to remember that in order to use the Spotify Jam feature, you must have premium feature on Spotify. Then only you'll be able to use Spotify Jam. Also, you need to remember that only in certain countries the Spotify Jam feature is applicable or available. So, if there is no any such feature on your Spotify, then you need not need to worry because after some years or some time, there will be update on your Spotify as well, and you can easily use the Spotify Jam. Also, you can explore the premium feature and get this feature. For now, when you visit your library and select any playlist, you can click on three dots here, and here you will easily get the option to start a jam. For now, currently I don't have that feature since I don't have the premium Spotify. And then also in my country there is no such features. So if there is any of those feature on your country or Spotify, you can easily use Jam clicking on the Jam feature and sharing it with your friends. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.